Today we're going to be taking our door panel off because we have to get to our lock mechanism over here. Our door ajar light keeps going off and we have a new sensor for that. But in order to do that, we have to take our door panel off. What you'll need is a T30 Torx. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool, and you need a ratchet, socket, and extension. And this is 7 millimeters. I'm going to start with taking my screwdriver and just prying this off right here. It comes out, and then pull this. You just press down on that, and that comes right out. Just shove it down there. And a flathead, and over here you can either pry it from the top or pry it from the side. Here we go. Pry it out, and it's the T30. So we're going to take that out. Okay. And then down here, it's hard to see, but you can just, that just comes right off like that. 2 clips right here. And press this down, take that out. Okay. Let's start working on our 7 millimeters. We have 2 over here, 1 right here, 1 right here, and then we have another 1, 2, 3, 4 to take out. So, two. Okay. Don't forget about this hidden one right here. Okay. It's another Torx. All right. Just should pop it off. Clips. You have to unclip some of these, so I'm going to unclip this. Again, just press that right there. Press that in, pull that out. Okay. And then this pops out. Okay. And then I'm going to slide it in like that. So I don't have to mess with the doorknob or the door handle. So you don't have to mess with the door handle, just slide it in there. One more clip to undo. Right here for your speaker. Again, just press down and pull out. Press right there. That's for your speaker. Speaker. Don't worry about that. Okay. So hook that back on. Make sure we got a speaker. Hook that back in. Okay. And that's how you remove your door panel on your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.